Are you coming to see me, Judy? Are you coming to see me? Where are you going? Are you coming over? Are you coming? You know it's past your bedtime. You should be asleep. Should be. Judy! Big smiles! You're going on YouTube again. Yay! I have to get a photo of you pulling yourself up and standing. Yeah, but I'll get that later on. Okay. She started crawling on the 9th of November. As soon as Daddy got back, she crawled towards his coffee. Yay! And then up steps at Auntie Aile's house on the 15th, I think it was, or 14th.